To fix Shopify not paying out, start by checking your payout settings. Ensure that your bank account information is accurate and up to date, as incorrect or outdated information can cause payout issues. Verify that your bank account is eligible to receive payouts from Shopify, as some accounts may not be supported. Next, review your payout schedule, as Shopify pays out store owners on a specific schedule, usually every 3 business days. Make sure you understand when you can expect to receive payouts. Check if you have met the minimum payout threshold, which is typically $25 or the equivalent in your local currency. If you have not received a payout, check your Shopify dashboard for any notifications or alerts. Look for messages indicating issues with your payout, such as bank account verification problems or tax identification number errors. Resolve any issues promptly to ensure payouts can proceed. Another common issue is a hold on your payouts, which can occur due to security concerns or verification requirements. Check your email and Shopify dashboard for notifications from Shopify, and follow the instructions to resolve the hold. This may involve verifying your identity or providing additional information. Additionally, ensure you are compliant with Shopify's terms of service and payout policies. Failure to comply can result in payout issues or account suspension. Review Shopify's documentation and support resources to understand the requirements and best practices for receiving payouts. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and still have not received a payout, contact Shopify support directly. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide guidance on how to resolve it. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your store and payout settings to facilitate a quick resolution. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Shopify not paying out issues, ensuring you receive your payouts on time and can continue to run your business smoothly.